having breakfast this morning. So let's see what's on day 2 of the Advent. And so there's a little something every day. Oh, this is a cotton ball, so you have to put the cotton ball on your Advent calendar. And let's do day 2. Good morning. What do you think, Say? Our car's a mess. Good morning. All right, Vlogmas day 2, baby. All right, we're on a roll. I woke up at 5:30 and there's a lot on the agenda today. So let's chat about it. First of all, I have to clean out this car. Always and forever a mess. And I'm just kind of learning to just embrace whatever season of life I'm in. Okay, so on the agenda today is I'm gonna have coffee with a girlfriend today at 11 o'clock, which I'm excited about. We connected on Instagram actually through like a mutual community, and we would just, you know, message each other on each other's pictures or whatever, and she lives out here. And she's an artist and she's going to school, and I was going to school, and we were kind of just had a lot in common. And she put up this video with a gentleman playing this piano piece that was just gorgeous. And I messaged her and I was like, I just had this instant feeling that was her dad. And then there's instant connection because it reminded me of my dad and growing up like listening to this incredible music in my home, and what a privilege that is and how much that never leaves you. And I messaged her and I was like, hey, is this your dad? And she was like, yeah. And I don't mean to brag, but I'm just so proud of my dad. He's been in Dolly Parton's band for, I forget how many years. And I got like instant chills just because I resonate so much too, just being so proud of my dad and what he's accomplished, but also like what he's had to go through and how hard it was for him. And now like he's in a band with Ringo. Like he made it to be. I'm like, Dad, you're with a Beatle. You're playing with a Beatle. And so it was cool. We just had a cool connection. And so when I moved out here, I was like, we've got to get together. We've got to have coffee. We've got to connect. So we're gonna have coffee today at 11 o'clock, which I'm excited about. I want to clean the house because it's just, everything is everywhere. We did Christmas Advent day 1, which Byron's stepmom, Jay, she's like super organized and a planner, and she always plans like really fun, cute things for the kids to do. And she always does these Advents every December, and every day there's a little something different to do, whether it's a craft or she'll put presents in there every few days too, so they can open up a few presents leading up to Christmas. And it's just so fun, and she's so thoughtful. The kids are so excited about it. And so we did day 1 yesterday, and there was like a bunch of presents to open for day 1 to just kind of launch it. So everything's kind of everywhere.
Please say a command.
And then yeah, Vlogmas. We got Vlogmas. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try, honestly, I'm gonna keep it really casual. So, okay, so oh my gosh, I have this tape. I had to ship out something. I am not on the ball about all of the Christmas presents that I have to send out. I have to do that this week. This is on my agenda. I want to just make sure everybody gets everything on time, right before the holiday rush. So, oh my gosh, what in the heck? All the things in the car. Okay, but seriously, who's ready to rock the day? Let's rock it. We're gonna rock the day. off to get coffee. This cute little coffee shop. It's like a small little adorable coffee shop right off of the highway that goes through this town called Joelton on the way to Nashville. So it takes me about like 30 minutes or so to get in, but this coffee shop is maybe about like 10 minutes away. So I'm excited.
Vibes. I love the vibes. Nashville vibes.
This is Audrey. I'm having a muffin
And a really life-giving creative conversation.
Yes, it's been so good to chat, and we're gonna get together more and get creative and have fun. I know. I'm so excited to be here. And this is a fun little coffee shop. I'll take a little video too. It's so cute.
Such a vibe.
It is.
So I'm admiring her
Ring
rings.
tour.
Okay, ring tour, and she's telling me where she got them. So this one is your grandma's.
This was a hand-me-down from my grandma, a little cigar band. This one I believe is from Etsy, and then this one I got in Leeds, UK at like a vegan festival. It's like a little spoon ring. I wear it like every day. I love this guy. This is from a really cool crystal shop in East Nashville. This was a Nashville flea market find. We love a flea market find.
yes.
And then this is an Instagram brand, Rain and Bow.
And then she was telling me about her hair. So I need to know all the details.
Yeah, I use a lime crime, and it's like vegan dye, and it's just so easy, and I just do it myself. So
I love it. I just put out seeds for them last night, but I can't put too many because they will eat them all in one day. So this is the tufted titmouse and the chickadees. So I got this book off of Amazon for the kids, but it's mostly now in my library because I love looking through it. Okay, I'm currently exporting a video. For a brand, I have to send it in for approval. But okay, this is the chickadee. How freaking cute are the chickadees though? We do have some blue jays, but I think they like peanuts, and I haven't put those out yet, so we're gonna have to put some out. So we have a cardinal couple, the male and female, that come together, and they come on the front porch a lot. And there's 2 male and 1 female that I always see. Here's the tufted titmouse with the little like mohawk. Oh, there it is. Okay. White-breasted nuthatch. I always forget the names of those. So those are the most common birds that I've seen since moving here. All right, so I'm editing and sitting in front of this heater, which Byron's dad, Lyndon, he got this for us as like a housewarming gift / placement holder until we get the wood burning fireplace in, which is on our list to do, along with doing like a remodel of the kitchen, kind of like a DIY remodel because we're gonna be doing most of it ourselves. Are you feeling snuggly and warm? I love you. We're home from school. Byron, where's your record deal? Oh yeah.
Yeah, we don't know the talent in this family.
I know, right? What have you not shown us? Dad's been holding out.
I don't want a lot for Christmas, but I want a lot for Christmas.
This was fun. This was when him and his brother Tyler rode these like fancy cars in Las Vegas for Tyler's birthday. That was pretty fun, huh?
Oh,
and when we all went on the camping trip and they went fishing.
Oh yeah, I went fishing too.
Kinda cool, huh?
Those are super cool.
This tree's so cool. Pumpkin cat pie.
She's so
So sweet. Yeah, baby.